Hi everyone, today I have a Zara haul and a shoe haul as well. So I will do an unboxing of the shoes. It's about time that I took time to go to Zara to get a few things, and I'm very excited to show you everything that I got for spring. But first, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out. Videos every week. I post on Mondays and also by the end of the week as well at 5 p.m. And I love talking about clothing, so I'll do a lot of hauls and unboxings and also bags and makeup, all the girly things. So that's what I like talking about. So this channel is like a feel-good channel and also a channel that will help you pretty much elevate your look. So I will start unboxing these shoes. So I got these shoes and I'm so excited to show you how they look. They're so cute. So this brand is called VIVAIA. They are a sustainable brand. Actually, they also do all their shoes out of recycled plastic bottles, which I've never had shoes like that before. So I'm excited to show you how these look like. So these are the first pair. Isn't this so cute, you guys? And I will match some of these outfits that I will show you so well, you guys. Look at how cute these are. I couldn't resist, you guys. There were some cat ones, but I decided that these looked a lot better. Plus it matches my cat's personality. She's quite a feisty one and a little hunter. So I just thought that this is so cute. Like, look at this, you guys. So cute, and I will wear these in a minute. And also I really wanted the Marlin ones, which I will show a picture here. Those are the next ones I will get for sure because I really want those, especially like for the lake life here. So in summer, everybody's at the water, everybody's at the beach or at really cute restaurants near the lake, and also boating. That's huge here, so I definitely want those. I also wanted the tassel ones, I'm not gonna lie, but those are almost sold out. So this is the second pair, and I thought these were perfect for work, you guys. So I'm short on pointy shoes, and these are so nice. Look, it has really good cushion, and I just thought that it would look great with a black monochromatic look, and they just feel so comfortable. And also I like the bottom as well, so these will look perfect for work. And also these are called the running shoes. So I have not tried that out. I'm literally unboxing it right now, but I will definitely give it a go. Oh my gosh, I'm really excited to wear these. So I just thought that these look really cute as well, and I'm going to Europe this year, you guys, and definitely bringing these. These are so comfy feeling, and these will be great to walk. And also they also bring like support inside. I do have my own inserts that are custom, but these also bring really good support. So look at the design though. It looks like Loewe, you guys, kind of like Loewe vibes. So the white ones, the white on white, was just absolutely perfect. And also I will put all the links below. I do have a discount code, which is Jazz12, which I will put here on the bottom. Also, VIVAIA did sponsor me, and they let me pick the shoes that I really wanted that fit my style. So they are not paying me, it's just they sent me these items so I can review. And I can definitely see myself wearing these every day, you guys, especially now and the temperature is warming up. Oh my gosh, definitely I will wear this every single day. And for whatever reason, these smell really good. I don't know what it is. They smell so good. So this is a try on haul, so I'm going to show you my outfits. So this is the first one, this top that I'm wearing. So this top, I actually had to upsize, you guys. So I was at Zara, and I was able to try a lot of things on. So I went a couple of weekends ago, and luckily I did try it in the store, you guys. Typically I just grab stuff and go home, and then whatever doesn't fit I go back and return or change. But anyway, thing is that I tried things on in the store. Luckily I did, because the small size did not close. And the thing is that I'm losing weight. It's not like I'm gaining weight, it's just like the design. This happens all the time with Zara. Some things run too small, and this is exactly one of those things. So Medium was really comfortable for me to close out, but I really like how this looks and how it cinches my waist. It really creates like that beautiful shape to your body, which I really like. And also the zipper, it's really easy to close as well and really comfortable. I also like the fabric, so it's still a bit chilly. It's not necessarily summer here. It's spring, so the temperatures are going up to like 50s or 60s and then going back down really quickly. But I do appreciate the fact that this fabric is on the thicker side. It feels cozy, so it's just great for spring, you guys. And I decided to wear with this cute skirt. This skirt, I got it a while ago and it's from Commons. And I also got this necklace. It is a two-tone necklace, which I thought it was just so cute. Only $30, and I'm into the two-tone lately. Not today. Today I'm wearing all silver, and I got this recently from Coach, you guys. Really cool, really sturdy. I love this tennis necklace. And also, don't mind this. This was my cat. I tried to give her a bath the other day because I was cleaning the bathroom. She got in the tub with all the chemicals and I just freaked out. I was like, oh my god, I don't want her to lick any of this stuff. So I quickly gave her a bath and she hated it, and hence the reason why I have that there. I was wearing a sweater and gloves because she has quite intense claws, you guys. She has intense claws and that's just a lot, but whatever. It's kind of impossible to cut her claws. Yeah, that's just a whole thing. But yeah, I am excited to wear this. And I got a few belts, you guys. So I've never had a belt this color. It's kind of like that reddish maroon color that is on trend right now. And I did get it in size 80 because this is the smaller one. So I am buying these belts from Spain. Yes, technically yes, from Spain, because this is made in Spain. It says it right there. But the belts that they are releasing lately are 100% leather. So if you watch my previous video, the Halara haul, I'm wearing a really thin belt, which is also 100% leather, you guys, from Zara. And I decided to get the same belt, but with the silver buckle, because the other one from the other video, it is gold. So I decided to get the same size, 80, made in Spain, and it's 100% leather as well. So I'm stocking up on belts, you guys. And before moving on to trying these on, I just wanted to show you how these look close up. And yeah, these are such good quality, you guys. And also these are foldable, you guys, and you can put in your purse. Isn't that crazy? And these are so pretty. They have like that glitter, that sheen for work. I can't wait to wear these. Also the cushion, look at the cushion, you guys. That is just unbelievable. So comfortable. These have a different cushion that makes it feel like cloud almost. So I'm really excited to wear these. And also these look like Loewe, you guys. Look at that. That is so nice. Such a nice design. So this has water repellent properties. So I'm just going to do a test if my cat allows. Oh my god. Teacup. All right, let me do the test here really quick. So look at all that. See that? So this is how the shoes look like. I am actually so excited to wear these for work. These actually feel like I don't have heels on at all, which is great because I can get tired. Because the building that I work in, which I work hybrid, but it is just huge, you guys, and I can wear these all day. They're so comfortable. They are so comfortable, you guys. I definitely recommend these. When I was at Zara, when I saw this shirt, I was like, yeah, I don't know if I want that, but still I decided to try it on. Once I tried it on, I was like, absolutely, I will buy this because it just looks so cool. Okay, it's kind of like tennis player, but you can also wear it day to day. So the material feels like cotton, and I know I'm wearing like an unsteamed silk skirt, but I just feel like it looks better with silk, with a silk skirt instead of the matching skirt. So this did have a matching skirt, but I just didn't like it the style. So, and these feel so comfortable, you guys. I can't wait to wear this in summer. I'm definitely wearing this top with these shoes in summer for sure. It looks just so cool, especially if I want to go out and about, eat outside, have a couple of drinks outside in any restaurant near the lake. And also in Europe, definitely wearing this in Europe because I don't know, it's just they're so soft, and I like the insert. It feels like literally I can walk for hours in these. Okay, really cute. So something unlike me, I got these sweatpants. I just thought that these will be so nice just to wear around the house, because this house can get really chilly. These are really soft and pink, and I love this. This says USA, so I love that. And I just thought they were super cute. Of course, they're pink, so even cuter. And this is the next top. So I thought this was just perfect for spring. And you guys know that I love white clothes. I love white clothes, as you might have noticed. But yeah, I just thought that this is just so cute, especially, you know, if you're working on getting in shape and you still have a little bit of a tummy. So all these tops that I've shown so far are just so perfect for that. This is just so cute. So this material, this fabric is kind of like that cotton feel, and also it has buttons. So it looks just so cute, you guys. So cute. Also, I am wearing that necklace, so I took it out of the packaging and I actually like it. And let me show you the locket, you guys. The locket is just so nice. It's like really good quality, and I just like how it looks. It looks really cute. It doesn't really go with this top that much, but in general, I know I'm gonna wear this loads. And also, this is the other top. I have two more tops to go. The other two are brown, but I'm into light blues lately. Like, who am I, right? Like, I've never been into that color before, but since Bridgerton, I'm literally into the blues, and hence the reason why I painted the walls in the living room that way, which I will show in a different video. But yeah, I'm into the blues, you guys, and I just thought that this top is cute just to be around the house, or if I want to go to any parks, because I do like just meeting friends at the park, walking, and also just walking my cat, even though she doesn't like that much. But I like taking her to lakes and taking her outside. I just thought that this was going to be perfect for that. Right, so this is the next top and outfit. So I decided to change to these black shorts. These are from Aritzia. I'm also wearing that belt that I got, and then I bought this brown top. I do have one more brown top to show you, but so I'm really into tank tops, and I just think that this is going to be perfect now for spring and summer, and brown is just on trend right now, and it will look so cute with these cute shoes. And the shoes feel really comfortable. All of these shoes are size 39, just in case, which is size 8 in the US, and these feel so comfortable, you guys. Okay, you guys, this is the last top. So this is just so cute, like to going out in the afternoon and dinner time. I just think that this is just so cute, but it goes perfectly also with these shoes. Yeah, I'm gonna wear these loads. So this is the close-up. Isn't this so cute? I love this asymmetrical look with the little knot. That is just absolutely cute. And yeah, I can't wait to wear this actually out and about. Alright, so that's it for my haul today. That's the end. And I will put all the links below of where to get the shoes, and also where to get all the clothes that I bought at Zara with codes. So don't forget to take advantage of the discount code, which is Jazz12, which is funny because my closest friends call me Jazz. And I just love buying from brands that are really sustainable, that care about the planet just like me, that are willing to recycle and create a great product. Thank you everyone for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.